How to remove friends in honor of kings. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial and we are gonna learn how you can easily delete or remove your friends in Honor of Kings. First of all, launch open Honor of Kings game on your device. Once you're inside the lobby screen of Honor of Kings, go ahead and expand your Friends button on the right corner. Tap on this arrow button and this will bring up the Friends tab. Under your Friends tab, go find the contact you want to remove as a friend. Tap on their profile picture and then in the pop-up, click on the Home button. Once you click on the Home button, it'll take you to their profile. From the bottom right corner, tap the trash icon. Now, click on Confirm in the pop-up and the friend will be deleted from your friend list. So that is how you can easily delete or remove a friend in Honor of Kings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.